Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Dear friends, today we are going to do Mooladhara Chakra Vikasa Japa. Mahogra Mooladhara Chakra Vikasa Japa. Japa can be done, or meditation can be done with the help of beats to concentrate our mind. So today I am going to do this with the help of beats. Come to either Padmasana or Ardha Padmasana or any convenient asana you choose. Make sure take the beads, any beads, mala, japa mala into your hand, right hand, and left hand should be in any one mudra. Usually they will keep it Gyan mudra or the Gyan mudra like this. So index finger and the thumb tips should join, remaining fingers straight, palm looking towards sky. So now I am sitting in a comfortable posture, either in any one of the asana, because it is a Mahogra Japa. So I am doing this in Padmasana. The Bijakshara for Mooladhara Chakra is Lam. Inhale, retain the air inside for few seconds. While exhaling, I am telling Lam. So again I am repeating. Inhale the air into the stomach, into your body, so that the stomach should rise up a little bit. While exhaling, you recite the Bijakshram Lam. Once it is over, give a small pause. Again, inhale. This is how this process continues. So, one bead will be there on top of the mala, japmala, separately, distinct from other beads. That is known as Meru Pusa. From that you have to start the japa. While doing japa, you should pull the beads towards you like this. So that is another condition. So total 58 beads are there. So I am going to recite this Lam for 58 times. Now, so I am sitting in Padmasana, and you can keep either Gyan Mudra or you can do it in, for Mooladhara Chakra, we already know that the mudra that is used for Mooladhara Chakra is Prithvi Mudra, earth, because Mooladhara Chakra is based on the earth element, no? So our body entirely made up of material, a sort of earth only. So everything carbon, to be precise. So let us start. So it can be done in Prithvi Mudra also. Prithvi Mudra means touch the tip of the thumb with the tip of the ring finger. The remaining fingers will be straight. Inhale. Lam. lam 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 lam, 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 This is how we should do japa with the help of the japamala. So it is it will become easy to concentrate if we use a japamala, any japamala. That is one of the reason. It is advised in our culture to use any culture, any human culture. The beads are being used, either Hindu, Christianity, Muslim, all use the beads, japamala, for doing penance. So practice, and just I want to give you a suggestion. Start with slow, focus on Mooladhara chakra, that is at the root, at the base portion, at the lowest portion of the backbone. Then, while inhaling, inhale slowly, retain the air for few moments, and while exhaling, focus on the Mooladhara chakra, that is the lowest portion of the backbone. Imagine that there is a red color ball or a globe is revolving in that lowermost portion of your backbone, that is in the anus region. Then while exhaling, when you try to contract the muscles of the anus muscles, try to pull them out and contract. Pull them up, contract, leave. Pull them up, contract, leave. That is called one mudra called Ashwani Mudra. Ashwani Mudra means the horse will do like that. While shitting, the horse will do like this. So this Ashwani Mudra will help in activating the Mooladhara chakra. Once you are accustomed to that, next step is that while pronouncing lam, try to pull the anus upwards and try to keep in that position, tighten the anus, pull it up and tighten. That is called Moola Bandha. So these Moola Bandha and Ashwini Mudra are very much helpful in the activation of the Mooladhara chakra or root chakra. So practice this and get the benefits. What are the benefits? In the end, we will discuss the benefits. That is very, very important. If we know the benefits, then only we can go forward. So, otherwise, you can do like this also. So, I have done Mooladhara chakra meditation, and the benefits I am going to get are: I will become more confident, self-confident, self-reliant, and the anxiety, distress, everything will vanish from me. So I am not no more anxious, I am no more stressful, I am a happy human being. I have all my health problems are resolved. No health problems at all. I am the healthiest person. Like that, you say to yourself, these are the benefits of Muladhara Chakra, because Muladhara Chakra is related to earth element. So if you activate this Muladhara Chakra, total physical health will be the person will be with very good health, and of course when health is there, health is there. When health is there, wealth will come. When health and wealth are there, happiness will be ours. So practice sadhana every day, if possible, minimum one time. Still, if possible, twice, if possible, thrice or 4 times a day. So that will be helpful. What are the 4 times? Morning, before the moment you got up your bed, after fresh up, and evening before you go to bed, and then Sandhya Samayam, that is a morning when the transition time, sunrise time and sunset time. These are the 4 times most ideal for any sadhana. So sadhana practice.